Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Razak the Tech Guy. So today in this video I am going to explain you about the process of installing Tally in your laptop or PC. So without any delay, let's go to it. First of all, you have to open any browser. So actually I'm using both Chrome and Edge. So for me I think Edge will be good, Microsoft Edge. So open it. So after opening it, you just type Tally ERP9 free download. Okay, after doing that, so you will find you just scroll down here, you will find Tally ERP9 free download, Tally ERP9 download. So once you clicked on it, automatically this will be open. So here you will able to see many versions 2019, 18, 20. So here we have a latest version, so that is 13th July 2020. So once you clicked on it, so it approximately it is 113 MB. So you I also given this link in my description, so you don't need to worry. You just click on it, you will directly redirect to this page. You just download this one. So once you download it, see like this, I already downloaded, so that's why I'm not downloading it now. So you don't worry, I'll just give this in the description link. See here, this one I downloaded. After downloading, you just have to click on open file. So once I have clicked on it, automatically the setup.exe file will be opened. So we'll just come back everything, we'll just close all this. Now see, just wait for a few while, because yeah, see here, started Tally.erp or Power of Simplicity, empowering business since 1996. Okay, I don't need all these things. Yeah, actually it's a 64-bit. That means my system is actually 64 bits, so no need to worry. So here it is installation folder where this Tally.erp9 will be installed. So you just click on install. See, the process is going on. It is installing. Best in class speed and reliability. Yeah, actually most of the degree students need this one, because in the system will get this Tally.erp9. Maybe someone will be learn at early stages, but those people who didn't have idea about this thing, so they will get this knowledge about in degree colleges. Yeah, it's a time taken process. So I'll just forward this one. Yes, guys. Actually, it took I think 5 to 6 minutes for installation. I think so. See, it's very long process, so that's why I just you know I just forwarded this video. So you don't worry, guys. Nothing is happening in between. So just the installation process is going on. So you just need a patience. Okay, don't worry. It actually took I think so. I think 5 to 6 minutes. So it need to be installed properly now. So that's why it took a lot of time. So don't worry. Yeah, see. You have successfully installed Tally.erp9 series or release 6.6.3. So after this one you have to click on done. So that's it guys, successfully installed. So see guys, finally we came to Tally.erp9. Yes guys, this is what we want. So here we have to be so careful guys. See, there are many options: activate your license, deactivate your existing license, get a rental license, configure existing license. So actually all these things are for paid users. So actually we don't need all those things, license, etc. So just for education purpose, we are using this Tally. So that's why we just need a work in educational mode. We have to select this one. See what it says. The educational mode allows you to learn and use Tally.ERP9 without buying a license. You can work on data on your computer with some restrictions. For example, you will not able to enter transaction for all days in a month. So this is just for education purpose. Okay. So you have to come down. So you can use arrow key also. You can use arrow keys also. No need to worry. Once coming, coming there, you have to click on enter. See, like this, it will ask for password because actually I have downloaded before. So it is again asking me to put a password. Because of you, I uninstalled this one, and again I downloaded for you to show you how to install Tally. So I already kept a password to it, so you no need to worry. I previously installed this one. I'm again restoring all these things. So I just showed you how to download Tally. Okay. So wait, for me it shows the password, but for you it won't show any password. It won't ask for any password. It will just ask you like this. Wait, let it migrate. See, like this, it will show you. See, actually I have created a duplicate company. See, just for example, just for training purpose, I just created Pathan official. See, like this, I just simply created. See, you will able to see like this one. Okay, you don't need to worry about this. So in next video in detail I'll just explain you how to create a company, all the address, etc about this one. So in this video just about how to install Tally in your laptop PC. Okay, so this is very simple guys, you just need a patience. So we'll just quit from this. Okay, okay, we successfully came out. So this is my video guys. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the notification icon so that you will get my new videos notification. So the download link will be given in my description. You no need to worry about it. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you, please share and support. Until then, be safe.